How to create a Stripe account. Hi there, in this video I'll guide you through the steps to create a Stripe account, a popular payments processing platform for businesses. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password. After filling in the details, click create your account. Stripe will send a verification email to the address you provided. So go to your email inbox, open the verification email from Stripe, and click on the verification link. After verifying your email, log into your Stripe account. You'll be prompted to complete your profile by entering your business information, such as your business name, type, and address. Finally, add your bank account details to enable payments and transfers. So navigate to the account settings and enter your bank account information to link it with your Stripe account. And that's it. You've successfully created your Stripe account and set it up for payments. For more tips and guidance, check the video description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.